Define the technical specifications for your PV system and build up the system. Define your installation area, defining system type, multi-MPPT or single channel. Define the generator data using the assisted design procedure. Identify the available spaces for PV module positioning. Trace the area in Plan Viewer using an imported CAD drawing. Set orientation, inclination and nearby obstacles. Simulate the effects of shadowing in order to select the best installation method.